Hi everybody and welcome back to part 8 of Magicycle's Behind the Magic. This episode we will talk about Magicycle's components, size, dimensions and load capacity. So if you have seen our unboxing video, you'll know when you receive your bike will basically be in two parts and will require some self-installation. But don't worry, it's super easy and we are here to help you every step of the way. So, before starting the video, I'd like to suggest that if you have not seen our previous video of Behind the Magic series, please click on the I button to know more about Magicycle. Okay, let's start. So, let's talk about your bike's components. The Magicycle has the following components. A freewheel Shimano 7-speed gear shift system, two 26 by 4 inch Kenda Juggernaut K1151 fat tyres, which are perfect for uneven terrain or off-road cycling. An adjustable and lockable alloy front suspension fork, perfect for either riding across uneven terrain or off-road, or you can lock your front suspension if you want to be more energy efficient whilst driving on flat roads. We include a half twist throttle to control your electrical speed. We also include integrated front and brake lights. We have a freewheel Shimano 7-speed gear system, a 6061 aluminium bike frame, and for the brakes we're using Nut S5 180mm double action mechanical disc brakes, a 6-volt LED front light and a KMC chain. We've included a soft saddle with lifting handle, a MA400 SS ABK stem. We have an adjustable seat post diameter which is 30.8mm in length and 300mm in height. We've included a 170mm forged alloy crank, a heavy-duty aluminium kickstand. We've included a Shimano 1428T brown or black gearing system. And for spokes, we've got a 13 gauge wheel on the front and a 12 gauge wheel on the back. Our Magicycle e-bike is composed of the following major parts: a frame, a front and rear wheel, fat tyres, a battery in the middle of your frame, rear hub motor system, a transmission system, the 7-speed Shimano gearing system, our braking system, and finally an integrated taillight that make up all of the major components of your Magicycle. Now let's take a closer look at the dimensions of these following parts. Now first you have your frame. The total length of this e-bike, if you're looking at it from the front of the front tyre all the way back to the furthest point behind the rear tyre, is going to be 74.8 inches. The distance between the wheel is 47 inches. You can also see that from the top part of your handlebars to the ground is 48 inches. And we've got some adjustments for you for your ideal seat height. So the lowest point, that's going to be about 30 inches from the ground, and the highest point is going to be about 36 inches from the ground. Okay guys, you might be wondering, is this bike the right size for my height? Let me put this into context for you. I'm 6'3", and this is ideal for me. When I ride this bike, it feels like the perfect size. The bike is perfect for anyone from heights from 5'3" all the way up to 6'4". There is an adjustable seat, so you can set your riding position to suit your height. So I'm 6'3", and it's perfect for me, as well as my friend Terry. He is 5'6". It's also great for him. The clever adjusting of the seat accommodates a wide range of heights, but also provides the maximum comfort when you are riding your bike. So what about the capacity? How much can a Magicycle carry? The Magicycle e-bike is made of high-strength aluminium alloy, which doesn't corrode easily and has a large payload capacity. We actually use hydroforming, which is a production method used in automotive and aerospace industries. It produces a stronger, more precise final aluminum product. So the frame is solid, and plus, we use the double beam structure in the design, which makes the frame even stronger. With solid frame, wide fat tires, and that 750 watt motor, this bike's payload capacity far exceeds that of many other similar bikes that you will find on the market. So, when you're riding your Magicycle on the city streets, you can absolutely carry 275 pounds. Now, if your weight is over 275 pounds, you can still ride the bike. Just be careful about the safety stopping distance, as it will be longer. So let's consider some safety aspects. Some things to consider in being extra careful and factoring other outdoor riding environments. Now, factoring in safety and considering other off-road riding circumstances you may experience, we do suggest your payload doesn't exceed 275 pounds. And if you want to use your bike to carry people or to tow a payload, please check in advance whether the tires of the vehicle are in good shape, full of air, the screws are tight, and the battery is fully charged so that your ride is safe and successful. There is a safe braking distance when the rider carries up to 275 pounds. Now, the heavier the rider, the longer the safe braking distance will be. If the load is greater than 275 pounds, we don't suggest riding off-road or riding at speeds. If you're overweighing the bike, that's going to cause a little bit more difference in whether you might fall if you hit the brakes very hard, or if you're turning at a sharp bend. Please do be cautious with that and make sure you are aware of how much weight you're putting on the bike throughout your whole journey. Okay guys, that's it for today's episodes on components, dimensions, size, and load capacity. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment below or contact us via our webpage in the description box. Stay tuned for the next episode. We will be talking about Magicycle's color display. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our amazing content. Thank you all for watching, and remember, ride free, ride fun.